According to a report by the United Nations Habitat, the population living in urban areas in Africa is expected to reach 60% by the year 2050. Here in Kenya, already 65% of the urban population are living in informal settlements, popularly known as slums. Evidence of the shortage of housing, decent housing needed by many. The Kenya government, however, launched a project to improve the living conditions of many Kenyans who are before living in squalid conditions. This is through such projects such as this, that is the pilot project that was completed in 2022 that allows Kenyans to own these homes at a very affordable rate.
The affordable housing project in Park Road, Kenya's capital city, Nairobi, boasts a construction area of 123,000 square meters and 1,370 housing units. It's one of the key projects of the China Proposed Belt and Road Initiative, undertaken by China State Construction Engineering Corporation as the main contractor.
There still is a shortage of housing. As you are aware, in Nairobi, a good percentage of our population lives in informal settlements. So the intent is to move everybody who is in informal settlements to a more formal setting that has amenities and give every citizen dignified, affordable housing. We chose to partner with China State Corporation for one main reason. We felt that they have the capacity to deliver the project. We knew once we go into that job, we will have no problem. We felt that they had the technical expertise, the financial expertise, and just general experience in the region, in Africa, to be able to deliver such a project.
The project was officially started in February 2019 and completed to acceptance stage in October 2020, 75 days ahead of the contract period.
I was living in Sinai slums. I think these are the best houses the one can get here around here. I have my own parking. These houses have 3 lifts, as you could see. We have our security. We have a perimeter wall. We have water. Electricity is reliable. I think this is the best place somebody can live here. Yeah. These people, the Chinese, I think they are the best builders.
We are happy to be part of this project. The project is very well, the quality is nice, and it's very convenient going to the city. And we never run out of water. The parking is ample. The environment is very quiet. So that's what I love about it. Actually, you have very many schools. Okay, we have a kindergarten inside here, which is very, very, very good for the kids instead of crossing the road. Where we used to live, okay, it's so scattered. What I love about the Chinese companies, they are very convenient. They give quality.